Hi, this is Caleb with CI Design. Today I wanted to briefly go over how to edit the pages on your website. So this is the Avada theme, and I will be going over how to edit text, buttons, and images on your website here. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is sign into WordPress. So to do that, I'm going to go to this link at the top. I will send you this link, so don't worry about remembering it. But it's basically just your domain name followed by a / and then WP-admin. Okay, so once you go to that link, you'll see a login form. And I'm just going to use my login credentials here to sign into the website. I will be sending you your own login credentials as well. So you can use the username and password that we send you and then click login. And this is going to take you to the dashboard of WordPress. Okay, so once this loads here, we're going to be in the back end of WordPress, and WordPress runs your whole website. It's basically the software installed that's running the website. And then on top of WordPress, we have the Avada theme installed. And Avada basically controls the styling and the look of your website. And I'm going to show you how to edit pages inside of Avada. All right, so now that we're signed in as an admin to WordPress, we have this admin bar at the top. And then we also have the whole dashboard here. This dashboard isn't important. It's just some quick links to get around. No editing is going on here. To edit a page on your website, you're going to want to go to the front end of your website. So we're going to click Costello Family Foundation. That's the name of the website. We're going to click on that. And this is going to take us back to the front end of the website. So the front end of the website is everything a user can see. Right? So this is the front end of the website. Anybody can view this side of the website. And then the back end is only visible to admins. So when we signed into WordPress, we were taken to the back end because we are an admin. But nobody else can see that. We also have this admin bar at the top since we're an admin, and this is going to be handy. And with this admin bar, what I want you to do is click this Edit Live button. And since we're on the home page, once we click Edit Live, that's going to load the page editor for the home page. Okay, and now we're on the page editor. So you'll notice when I hover over certain items or elements, we get this little pencil icon that shows up and a little blue outline. That's just showing us the different sections of the website. And on any of these elements, whether it's this title element or this button or this image down here, all you need to do to edit them is hover over that element and then click the pencil icon. So if I wanted to change Costello Family Foundation, if I wanted to change that text, I could hover over it and click this pencil icon. And then you'll notice on the left-hand side that we have some options for this title. So a couple different options up here, but really the main one is the title itself. And this is just what the title is saying. So we can type new text here. And you'll notice that it's updated live for us to preview what we're doing. So I can backspace that. And then same thing with this text block down here. We've got a title and a paragraph. If we edit the title, we can click the pencil icon there. And then we're able to change what that title says over here on the left. So we can backspace to edit. We can type new text. And you'll notice that over here on the left, we actually have, you can see that new text there. So I'm just going to go ahead and backspace that. Okay, same with the paragraphs here. If we wanted to edit the paragraph, we can just click the pencil icon that shows up when we hover over it. And then over on the left, you'll see the actual settings for that paragraph. So with the settings over here, you can change what the text says, like we have been doing. You can also use the tools here to modify the text. So we have we've got a paragraph text right now, but if we highlight this portion and then click paragraph and set it to, say, heading 4, you'll notice that that'll actually change the look of that text block. So you want to probably keep that one on paragraph. You can also highlight words and bold and italicize them if need be. And then there's also an insert and edit link button that lets you add a text link to this text here. And then if you scroll down, we have a few more options. We've got alignment, so we can set this to be centered, or we can justify it, and then we can also set it back to just default there. So this is all under the general settings for this text block. We also have the design tab here, and this is going to have a few design options. We'll be able to change the font color and the font size here. If you just leave everything blank, it'll be set to its default state, which is a good idea because you want to keep everything consistent looking and have the same design flow. Okay, so that is how you would edit a text block, and then we also have image elements like this, and you can just hover over the image and click this pencil icon that shows up, and then you'll find the image options. So we have a couple image options here. The first one is the actual image itself. If you want to change this image, you can just click the edit button, and then this will pull up the media library. And the media library is important. This has all the images that we've uploaded to the website so far. So you can see we've uploaded a lot of images here. And you can select a different image to show it or to replace the image that we're editing. You can also upload a completely new image by going to Upload Files and then dragging and dropping your file or clicking Select Files here. If you click Select Files, it'll pull up your computer files, and then you can just click on any image that you want to upload and then click Open, and that will upload the image to the website. So if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see that the new image is here, and if we select that and then go over to the far right, we can click Insert into Post, and you'll notice that that image is swapped out. So I'm going to revert that, and to do that, one quick little tip here. There's basically an undo button, and it's up here at the top. If you click this History tab at the very top, you can see everything that we have edited on the page so far. So if we just click one of these options, probably this alignment one, it'll undo what we've done there to the image. So that's swapped it back for us. All right, so if we scroll down here, there's a few different elements that we can edit. You'll notice that these logos here, these are just images. So if we click the pencil icon there, it's just a basic image element. And if you wanted to swap out this logo, you could do the same thing we just did to this image up here. And that is just click Edit on the image, and that's going to open up the media library, and then you can just select a new image and then go down to the bottom right and click Insert into Post, and that will replace that logo that we have there. And then again, I'm just going to undo that. Okay. So yeah, but basically the whole website is constructed of image elements like this, text elements like this, and then button elements. A button is very easy to edit. Again, you just hover over, click that pencil icon, and then you'll have the options on the left. So for the button URL here, that is going to tell you where that button's going. So if somebody were to click on that button, they would be going to this page here, Cattle to Christ. And if you want to change that link, you can click this link icon right here, and it'll pull up all the pages that are on your website. So if you wanted this button to link to the Faith Partners page instead of the Cattle to Christ page, we could just click on Faith Partners, and then it'll add the link for you up here. And then now you can just click Set Link. And now that button is actually going to the Faith Partners page. So I'm going to undo that real quick. Okay, and then we also have button text. That's what the button says. So if you wanted to change that, you can see you can change what the button actually says there. And there's a lot of other options. Some of them are not that important. Some of them are pretty self-explanatory, like the alignment button here. You can choose to set the button to the left, the right, or the middle. We also have the design tab up here, and this is just going to let you change what the button looks like. You can change the color. Scrolling down, you can change a lot of different colors, the border size, just everything about the button there. All right, but that's basically it. Yeah, every page has titles like this. They have buttons. And if you want to edit any of that, just remember to hover over the image or text or title, click that pencil icon, and then you'll be able to modify that content there. Once you're done making any edits to the page, all you need to do to save them is go up to the top right and click this Save button, And that's going to publish any changes that you made live. So users will actually be able to see those changes that you've made to the web page. All right, I'm going to click this X button here to close out, and then we could just click exit to page front end. And that's just going to take us back to the front end of the website. All right, but yeah, like I said, that is pretty much it for this website. We can go to a different page here, and if we click edit live, that's going to open up the editor, and it's basically the same thing. We've got just title elements, image elements here, and text blocks. That is the basics of page editing. I can send you more documentation on this, and if you have any questions or if you need more instructions, go ahead and give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be happy to send you more instructions on editing the website. Thank you for watching this video, though, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.